Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V2 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. Now let's scroll down and localize this ringtone section and focus on the phone ringtone. As you can see, it is divided between two different SIM cards, which means that you can set totally different ringtone for the first SIM card and totally different for another one. So that's quite cool. Let's simply tap on this phone ringtone, of course, give all the permissions. And let me show you how to do it for the first SIM card. Basically, here at the top, you've got the option to choose something from your own file. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded, it should appear in this list, and you will be able to set it as a ringtone. What is more, on the other hand, at the very bottom of the list, we've got this option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. So it's up to you. So if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So for example, this one, and I of course forgot that I've got it silent. Okay. So this is how it works. Just tap on it and decide whether you like it or not. And let's pretend I want this cartoon rhythm to be set as my phone ringtone. So make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.